Hello and welcome to this TechnicForce tutorial. In this video, we're going to discuss the settings page in Cloudfunnels. To access the Cloudfunnels settings, go to the left-hand sidebar and scroll down to Settings. The settings page is divided into 4 separate tabs: General Settings, Membership Settings, 404 Page Setup, and Setup Membership Error Texts. On the General Settings tab, the first item you see is the current version. This will be automatically updated every time you update Cloudfunnels. The installation URL shows where Cloudfunnels is installed. This is important to be aware of, as it may be required for integrations such as Zapier. Note also that this particular installation is on secure HTTPS. If you were to move this installation to non-secure HTTP, then you would end up losing data that was originally created on the secure installation. If Cloudfunnels is installed on a secure URL, then you can choose to checkmark Force Loading Pages with HTTPS. This automatically forces users who visit your page through HTTP to the HTTPS site. Bucket for storing static files is set up when you integrate with Google Cloud, and this is where all the public files of the app are stored. Default SMTP is the default mailing service that Cloudfunnels will use to send out emails. In many cases, like for composing mail and sequences, you can choose specific SMTPs to send out your mails. However, for other settings like GDPR, emails may be automatically sent out, and they will automatically go through the default SMTP provider. Next, we can see Spinner for emails. This is discussed in more detail in the Compose Mail tutorial, and basically allows you to create randomized emails based on variables that you build into your emails. Cron command for email sequence. This code is required when you set up cron jobs in your cPanel to schedule automatic mailings for your sequences. IPN security key is your unique code that you can provide to payment services so that they will be able to identify themselves to you as a trusted service provider. Anytime you make any changes to the settings page, make sure you click Save Settings. The next tab is Membership Settings. The first field is the valid regular expression for membership passwords. This code here sets the requirements for passwords, and this is considered a very secure requirement. If you prefer to edit this, you can do so, and then just save your changes. The Forgot Password email title for members. This is the title of the email that will be sent out automatically to a member that clicks the Forgot Password link. They'll receive an email with the subject title, Reset Password. You can customize this if you wish. Forgot password email content for members. This is the body of the email that is sent to them when they request a password reset. Hi, your one-time password reset link is, and here's the code. This code will automatically generate a link within the email that the user can click to take them to the password reset page. And you can also opt to cancel membership on purchase cancellation. This is in the case of a sales membership funnel where someone has purchased membership. If they cancel their purchase, you can also cancel their membership automatically. Again, be sure to save any settings that you've changed. On the 404 page setup, if someone visits a page that doesn't exist, this is the page that they will see. Cloudfunnels provides 2 different templates. Here's template number 1, and here we can see the text with a link to go back to the home page, along with a logo. And here's template number 2. Again, we can see the error message, a link to go back to the home page, and the logo. In the next field, add your Go Back page URL. This is the link that you want to take them to when they click the Go to Home button. Here, you can customize the Go to Home text. You can customize this if you want. And then for the preferred logo to display, you can view to see what's already been loaded. You can upload your own logo or image to display on the page in its place, or you can simply delete it. The last tab on the settings page is Setup Membership Error Texts. These are all the errors that may display in a membership funnel. The first, display alert for insecure passwords in membership, is if someone tries to create a password that does not meet the minimum password criteria. Authentication error alert for forgot password. This is the text that will appear if somebody inserts a password which is incorrect. The error for passwords that don't match. This is the error text that will appear when the user is asked to re-enter their password to confirm and the passwords do not match. The error to display for the user trying to re-register. This is the text that will display if a user is trying to register using an email that's already registered. Error for invalid email. This is the text that will display if somebody enters an invalid email. Error for unauthorized access. This is the text that will display if someone attempts to access the URL without authorization. Error for non-existing users. This is the text that will display if someone attempts to log in without a registered email. Invalid login credentials error. This is the text that will display if someone enters the wrong username or password. Error for unsent emails. This is the text that will display if Cloudfunnels is unable to send an email. Error for membership cancellation. This is the text that will display if someone attempts to access an account that has been canceled. Again, you can customize any of these fields as you wish. Just make sure you save the settings when you're done. And that covers the settings page in Cloudfunnels. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thanks very much for watching.